Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. In this Elementor tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide sections on your paginated pages. Now, this is a request that we've been getting a lot more often, and out of the box, there's no easy way in Elementor to hide sections whenever you're a few pages deep on your blog post feed or anything like that. So in this example, I'm going to show you how you can remove sections with one line of CSS code. This isn't going to require any custom JavaScript or plugins or anything like that. I found a way to do this with just a simple CSS code. So first, let me show you an example of what most blog post feeds look like whenever you go a few pages in. So on this page, for example, I have the big call to action section up here, and then I have the post widget right down here. And so by default, when you have your pagination setting on, so if I click on the next button, it will refresh the page and bring it back up to the top. So every time that the user would want to scroll through and see multiple blog posts, they're going to have to keep scrolling down every single time. In this example, I'm going to show you how we can do something like this, where same page, and when you click the next button, I want to hide this whole section up here, for example. So when I click next, it just disappears completely on, you can see in the URL, whenever I click on the next page, it adds, the page number, page 3, page 4. So I want to always hide that section. And like I said, that's very easy to do. So let's just jump right into how I did that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to achieve this. So on this page, I have it separated out into two sections. The top section has this big call to action area. The bottom section is just using the simple Elementor blog widget. So the area that you'd like to hide, you need to target that with either a CSS ID or a class. So you click on the section, go to Advanced, and add in your custom ID or class right here. So in this example, I added the CSS ID of home top. Now what you need to do is add the CSS code from the description below to the page settings. So to do that, you click down here with the gear icon, and this will open up the page settings for the page that has the blog widget. So once you paste that in here, all you have to do is just target the CSS ID or the class that you have here. So in the example here, I did home top for the CSS ID. So just did that and display none. Now this code in front of it is just a selector CSS code. Basically what this does is WordPress automatically creates this class called paged on any paginated pages. So using this selector, it's easily targeting just the pages that are in pagination mode, and you can target your CSS class right here. Then you just do display none. That's it. Like I said, it's very easy. There's not any more code or anything else you have to do to achieve this. So again, this is the end result, is you'll be able to go down here, now click next, and that whole section is now gone completely. So I hope this Elementor tutorial was helpful. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be kicking out a lot more Elementor tutorials like this. Thanks. This is Mark from Wiki Design.